Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through a practical and effective savings plan to help you invest $10,000 over the next year. Our goal is to maximize your savings while making $45,000 annually. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the $10,000 into 5 key categories: emergency fund, high-yield savings account, stock market, mutual funds, and personal development. This diversified approach will help balance risk and growth potential. 1. Emergency fund, $1,000. Set aside $1,000 as an emergency fund. This ensures you have a safety net for unexpected expenses without dipping into your investments. 2. High-yield savings account, $2,000. Put $2,000 into a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow steadily and securely. 3. Stock market, $3,000. Invest $3,000 in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Focus on stable, long-term growth stocks and consider dollar-cost averaging to spread out your investment and minimize risk. Let me also add a short note on 2 free brokerages that primarily utilize apps for trading, which are Robinhood and Webull. If you use the link below, we both get a free stock. 4. Mutual funds, $2,500. Allocate $2,500 to mutual funds. These professionally managed funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, providing balanced growth. 5. Personal development, $1,500. Invest $1,500 in your personal development. This could be courses, books, or seminars that enhance your skills and knowledge, increasing your earning potential in the long run. By strategically allocating your $10,000 into these 5 areas, you're setting yourself up for financial growth and stability. Remember, investing isn't just about the money. It's about investing in yourself and your future. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and watch your investments grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. In a final, reassuring tone, let's build a brighter financial future together. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up at the Robinhood or Webull links below to get free stock.